Harry, so well, for some of us, it wasn't the most promising start to the day. It was quite humid. We had some rain around as well, but the weather front that brought the rain is clearing out of the way. And for most of us, we've got these much brighter skies set to move the way in. But it won't be entirely dry this afternoon. We do have some showers around for Northern Ireland, Scotland and North West England. And there's the dregs of our weather front still bringing a bit of damp weather to the east coast of England. Now that weather front brought 12 millimetres of rain to parts of Essex. That's half an inch. The significance of that is that weather front brought us more rain than had fallen for the entirety of the month of June. So we certainly needed that rainfall. It has been a very dry month across parts of the east.
Hello there, good afternoon. At last, some good news for the parks and the gardens across the capital with some appreciable rainfall totals. All courtesy of a cold front, the first frontal rain for a while, of course. Pushing eastwards throughout the morning, we've seen some heavy downpours as captured by our weather watchers here in Wandsworth and again in Puddle Dock. And of course, behind the cold front, some fresher feeling conditions. We've lost the humidity from the air.
Hello, a very good evening to you. Hope you had a good day. It wasn't the most beautiful start, was it? But hopefully things are improving for you. And we have got some evening sunshine. Tomorrow it's the other way round, a brighter start, but turning cloudier with a few spots of rain possible. Not expecting anything too bad at the moment. And temperatures back down to around average. As we head into Saturday, after a cloudy start, things should brighten up. Saturday and Sunday brings us some sunny spells, but a bit breezy. That's the weather. Here's the pollen. Well, hopefully the pollen wasn't too bad for you today with that rain in the morning, but I'm afraid those levels are picking up as we go through the next few days. Generally, as things stay drier, might be helped in any rain, and it's grass and nettle pollen. I'll see you later. Cheerio.
Hello there, Sophie. It's been a lot cooler and fresher for us all today. We've had some sunshine, mind you, and for many southern areas, just fair weather cloud. Most of the showers at the moment are actually in Scotland. They'll continue overnight.
It's been muggy of late. Is it going to cool down? What's going to happen?
Well, it keeps sort of changing from one day to the next, Alice. I mean, it's going to be quite mixed over the coming few days. Tomorrow is going to look and feel really quite different in the southeast of England because we're going to find greyer skies coming in, much more cloud around tomorrow, a bit of dampness in the air maybe, and it's also going to turn more humid once again. Now, today was fresher, was cooler. We had a westerly breeze and it brought us some sunshine and kept us generally dry. We had some sunshine today for the cricket at Lords. If you go in tomorrow, expect a lot of cloud. There could be some disruptions to play as well if there is a bit of drizzle or bad light, that sort of thing. And actually the weekend for us is looking pretty good because it's going to be dry. There'll be some sunshine around, not too windy, but those temperatures 23 or 24 degrees. And next week, the temperatures aren't really going to change again. We're not looking at anything hot or humid. In fact, as the week goes on, we may actually see some showers because low pressure is going to be dominating rather than high pressure that tends to keep it dry.
Hello there. It wasn't the most promising start to the day on Thursday. A lot of cloud around for central and eastern areas with some rain too, but that all cleared out of the way and the air turned fresher through the day with these sunnier skies working in for most of us.
The temperatures have also been tumbling over the past few days and Alex is here. How low are they going to go?
Well, not that low. They're still going to stay around average, but of course it will be a noticeable difference. And there is something else added into the mix, which will make it feel a little bit fresher as well. Let's take a look at the jet stream, which is going to be fairly high powered as we head through the next few days into the weekend. That's going to be flowing right across the British Isles, so it is going to keep our weather fairly changeable at times. And it's also going to introduce some windier conditions. Let's take a look at our wind gusts for today. And you may have noticed the breeze out there, certainly across some northern parts of the UK. But as we fast forward into the weekend, when that jet stream is flowing right over us high up in the atmosphere, it is going to feed in some fairly strong winds, so gusts up to maybe 44, 45 miles per hour, something we'd be, well, more used to in autumn. So a breezy weekend to come at times, particularly for those of us that are going to be much further north. There's also going to be some rain around as well. Welcome rain. In fact, the southeast woke up to rain for the first time in a long time this morning. This was a situation actually at Eastbourne at the tennis. It didn't stop play there, but it certainly was a little fresher, hence the extra layers and also the need for a few waterproofs here and there. And it will be worth keeping those waterproofs handy as we head through the next couple of days. Let's take a look right now. Well, as we head through the rest of this week into the weekend, it's going to be a case of showers or longer spells of rain. Temperatures, as I say, are going to be around average for the time of year, and it's set to become noticeably windier in a few places as well. So the forecast is not bad as we head into the weekend, but of course the wind will make it feel a fair bit fresher all round.
OK. Alex, thank you.